Okay, welcome back to Foxtecc, and in this video we talk about the Wi-Fi and how can you check if your Wi-Fi is hacked. So this is kind of an important topic, and at first we need to discuss this. So at first we need to check the devices connected to your Wi-Fi network. You can use tools like Wireless Network Watcher, which will provide you with a list of all devices currently connected to your Wi-Fi. So you need to take a close look at the list, and if you notice any unfamiliar devices, it might be a sign that someone has gained unauthorized access to your network. So if you can, just remove them from accessing your network. Now, if you want to access the backend or your router's interface, I think you should refer back to the materials like the box and everything of your router, but it can typically be done by entering your router's IP address into your web browser. So it is going to be something along the lines of 192.168.0.1 or something like that. And once you're in, you have to use the username and password. If you haven't already changed them, it's going to be like default, so it's going to be like admin or something, so you can get access there, but you should 100% change it so nobody who doesn't or shouldn't get there can actually gain access to it. Another possible security measure is if you feel like somebody has gained access to your Wi-Fi, of course, the best course of action is to change your Wi-Fi password. And you can do this through the Wi-Fi settings in the router's interface. Once you got inside, you can change your password, and this is going to kick off all of the people which are not supposed to use your network. Now, you can also monitor your network traffic, which is another effective way to detect suspicious activity. And there are some tools out there like Wireshark, for example, which allow you to analyze network traffic and look for unusual patterns such as, things which should not be happening. Yeah, so that would be, about it. These are some basic methods and tricks to make sure that your Wi-Fi is working smoothly. Now, hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll see you guys later in the next video.